Today we are in Unit 4, Week 4. So please get your reading and writing workshop book ready and let's start. As you know, this unit, the big idea for this unit is what animals do you know about and what are they like? You know that we learn about how do animals' body help them, and we talked about adaptation for the environment that they live in. We also learn how do animals help each other and how they team up. And we also learn how do animals survive in nature. Today, we're going to learn about insects. So please open your reading and writing workshop book, page 72 and 73. Bug me. So we're going to talk about what's special about caterpillar. How is it like other bugs? So the essential question, what insects do you know about? How are they alike and how they're different? Okay. Let's see.
Insects. What insects do you know about? How are they alike and different? All insects have the same basic body parts, but many things about them are different too. Caterpillars have different colors and patterns on their bodies as they creep along on branches. These crickets hop and jump a lot. They can make a loud chirping sound by rubbing part of their wings against each other. This long-horned beetle crawls. It blends in with the rocks and tree branches where it lives. Many insects can fly, like this orchid bee with its bright blue color. As you can see, insects may have the same basic body parts, but each kind of insect
They are alike in some parts and different in others. So let's see more information and pictures about what we're going to cover this week.
Many butterflies have bright, colorful wings with fancy markings. It might look a little like one, but a spider is not an insect. A spider is an arachnid, which means it has 8 legs instead of 6.
Right?
Part of the firefly's body lights up. Each kind of firefly flashes its light in a different pattern.
Oh, this is very popular bug.
A ladybug is red with black spots on its body. It flies and creeps around on short legs.
Okay, back to our butterfly. So now we saw like different kinds of insects and different body parts and different shapes. Okay. Let's see the words that we're gonna cover for this week.
Flutter. Flutter means to move or fly with quick movements.
Okay.
Flutter. Butterflies flutter from flower to flower.
Very good. Next.
Different. The weather in the summer is different than it is in winter.
One more time.
Different. The weather in the summer is different than it is in winter.
All right. Now we have another word.
Imitate. Anna imitates the way her older sister dresses. Imitate. To imitate is to act like someone or something else.
Okay, one more time.
Imitate. To imitate is to act like someone or something else.
Okay, cover next word.
Protect. A helmet protects your head when you ride a bike. Protect. If you protect something, you keep it safe.
One more time.
Protect. If you protect something, you keep it safe.
Next word.
Resemble. The fluffy white clouds resemble balls of cotton.
One more time.
Resemble. The fluffy white clouds resemble balls of cotton.
Next word.
Caught. A bug is caught in this web.
Okay, one more time. It's the past tense for the verb catch, caught.
Caught. A bug is caught in this web.
All right. Next word.
Flew. The wasp flew over to the flower.
One more time.
Flew. The wasp flew over to the flower.
All right. I want to go back to the word resemble and explain it one more time for you.
Resemble. The fluffy white clouds resemble balls of cotton.
Okay, resemble is to look like something else. So that's why we say the clouds resemble balls of cotton. So it looks like ball of cotton. Okay. And then the next one we have caught. We say caught is the past tense for the word catch. And a bug is caught in this web. Next, we have flew. It's also the past tense for the verb fly.
Flew. The wasp flew over to the flower.
Next word.
Know. I know how to catch a bug.
Yeah, as we know, this word, know, starts with a K, but the K is a silent letter.
Know. I know how to catch a bug.
Next word we have is laugh.
Laugh. That bug story made us laugh.
Okay.
Laugh. This is the word laugh. Say it with me. Laugh.
All right. Now, next word is listen.
Listen. This is the word listen. Say it with me. Listen. Listen. Listen to the buzzing bees.
Good. Next word.
Were. Fireflies were out last night.
One more time.
Were. Fireflies were out last night.
Very good. Next word.
Beautiful. Something that is beautiful is very pleasing to see or hear.
So this is the meaning for the word beautiful.
Beautiful. Something that is beautiful is very pleasing to see or hear.
Let's read the sentence.
Beautiful. The butterfly has beautiful wings.
Very good. Last word.
Fancy. We are wearing fancy hats. Fancy. We are wearing fancy hats.
Very good. So this is a vocabulary that will help us to understand our story. Let's see more about the bugs.
Insect hide and seek. What insects have you seen outdoors? Did you look at them closely? What did you see? Insects are all around us, but they can be hard to find. That's because some insects are good at hiding. Their colors and shapes blend with their surroundings and protect them from enemies. In order to spot these insects, you have to look very closely. Have you ever looked at the stem of a rose? The stem has sharp points called thorns. A thorn bug's shape makes it look like one of these thorns. Since thorns aren't tasty, most hungry animals will go right past thorn bugs. Look at the stem in the photo. Can you find the thorn bug? How does it resemble the thorns? Young thorn bugs have another way to protect themselves. They shake together when they sense danger. Their mother feels the stem move and comes to help.
So we use the word resembles, it's like look like something else. And as we see here, this bug, thorn bug, try to imitate or look like the thorn coming from some plants. It's a way to protect themselves so other animals won't eat them. Let's see another way that animals protect themselves or insects protect themselves.
Look at the twig in the photo. Can you find the walking stick hiding? It looks as if it is part of the twig. That is its disguise. The name walking stick fits this insect perfectly because the shape of its body makes it look like a stick. It is like a thorn bug because it is shaped like a part of a plant. This helps the insect to hide. However, its texture, the way it feels when you touch it, is quite different from the thorn bugs. This insect has the rough texture of a branch or twig. Walking sticks are among the longest insects in the world. One kind of walking stick is 13 inches long. Most of the time, these insects keep still. If they move at all, they move very slowly. When a tree branch sways in the wind, the walking stick sways right along with it.
So this is another way for the insects to survive and hide. See?
When you smell a flower, are you also sniffing an insect? It's possible because when a praying mantis sits on a flower, its green or brown color blends right in. As the mantis flutters and lands on a flower, it seems gentle and harmless. And for people, that is true. However, this insect hides on flowers in order to catch and eat other insects. Look at the photo. Can you find the praying mantis on the flower? The praying mantis, like the walking stick, sits very still. However, when another insect, such as a bee or butterfly, comes by, watch out. The mantis has legs that look like knives and a mouth like a can opener. It uses them to trap and eat the insect. In this way, the praying mantis is different from both the walking stick and the thorn bug.
All right, so now we had a few examples of the insects and how they survive and how they protect themselves or how even they hide. Okay, let's listen to the story.
Genre, fantasy. Essential question. What insects do you know about? How are they alike and different? Where is My Home by Sarah Hughes. Illustrated by Sehi Young.
Okay.
Paired read, Wings, page 13.
All right, so this is all these books, and it's only on a video here. So when you watch it, you don't have your book, you don't have it in your book, but it's all related to the topic and the essential question that you're gonna answer at the end of the week, at the end of this lesson, and also help you to understand and gain more information about. So let's listen.
Chapter 1, Dog and Bird. The bug likes to play and laugh. Now she is caught in the rain. She flies to the doghouse. Is this my home? She asks. The dog says, Ruff, ruff. This is not my home, the bug says.
So as we say, this is a ladybug that's looking for its home. So we went to that dog and you notice that this is not her house.
This looks just right, the bug says. The bird yells, Squawk! This is not my home, sighs the bug.
So again, when she, as we see, landed on the eggs in the nest, then the birds squawk that this is not your house, this is not your home.
Chapter 2, Bees and Ants. The bug sees a hive. She flies up to it. Is this my home? The bees say, Buzz, buzz. I can't stay here. Listen to all that buzzing, cries the bug.
The bug is still looking for its home.
The bug sees an ant hill. Will that make a good home? Oh my, this won't work, says the bug. It will soon be night. I don't know what to do. I wish I were home. The bug is tired. She flew all day. The bug finds a home. It is fancy and beautiful. I can sleep here. It is a quiet night. The bug found a home. Good night.
Very good. So, as we see here, if we ask a few questions, who was yelling squawk to the bug? Very good, the birds. And how did the bug feel about the bees? Let's go to page 7 again. I can't stay here because it was noisy, it was buzzing, as we can see that she's not relaxed or knowing that this is its home. So for this lesson, in this unit, we talked about bug, me, and how the bugs come and insects come in different shapes, colors, and texture, and they also have a different way to hide and disguise so they can survive and live. All right, that's it for today, first graders. Thank you. Bye-bye.